Hello everyone, and then welcome to this lesson on our AR projects using Adobe Aero. So now we want to be able to animate our objects, okay? So we want to add triggers. But first of all, we want to make sure everything here is hidden, okay? Everything here is hidden. So first let's group these ones for the mitochondria, or we can decide to leave it that way, okay? Let me see this. Let me rename so video. Let me call it I'll rename it to video something. Let's see. Mito video. So actually what it's going to do, we are going to insert a link. So when the user clicks it launches uh, the video link. If it's a YouTube video, it will launch it outside of the phone. So um, let's make sure everything is hidden. Okay. So we'll go to our triggers. Then the trigger. So there's a trigger. So on stats, okay, on stats, we want to make sure that everything is hidden apart from our animal, okay, apart from the animal. What we want to do is when the animal is clicked, then we want it to launch the animal cell, and then the person can interact with the various hotspots to enable, to hide or reveal, or toggle the visibility of these UI elements, okay. So on starts, when the person launches or the app launches, okay, or the experience launches, we want to hide, okay, so on starts action hide. So what I want to hide, we want to hide our mito group, okay, mito group. We want to hide it forever, okay. We'll leave these ones to their default values. We also want to hide you let me see if I can select. So want to hide, so let's hide again, lyso group, so it's hiding this, okay. So this another way, so I'm going to click this. So this is a way of also hiding, like you select to make it easier, okay. Infinite. Also set this one to infinite. Or we can also use this approach, hide, and then we'll change the subject. Okay, so how do you want to hide? We want to hide our animal structure, which is this. Okay, also set it to infinite. So we're going to hide forever, be hidden forever. I'm also going to hide the GIF, hide the mitochondria. Okay, so basically I'm going to be hiding all of them. So I'm going to pause this and then hide everything apart from the animal. Okay. Okay, so I'm done hiding, but let's see what we'll have. Okay, so you can see we're having some errors. Okay, so to work on that, all we have to do is to change the duration to 0. Okay, 0, this is set to 0. So I change this to also 0. Okay, so I'm going to do that for the rest. Okay, so I've set everything to 0. Okay, everything to 0. Let's go to preview and you can see everything is vanished. Okay, so um, now we can view. Okay, our hotspot here seems to be missing. Let's check it out. But it shows here. Okay. Yeah, it should be hidden. So let's rather hide this one instead of this one too. Or better still, let's group them. Okay, so I'm going to group them. Okay, so I'll group them, Control G, and then let's see what is inside. So main cell animal cell. Okay, so it's going to make it easier, so I can rather delete this one. Okay, then rather hide all of these. Okay, so we are hiding it to 0. Okay. Okay, so since we've set it to 0, there's no need for the infinite. Okay. So now let's preview our project. Then you can see now this is what we have. Okay, we need to hide this one too. So let's go here. Lyso group 1. So Lyso group 1 isn't hidden. So let's hide it. Set to 0. Then that's it. So let's preview. Okay, so everything is hidden. So in our next lesson, we'll animate this and then animate some of the UIs. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.